Right, we have this microwave here. Everything working good in microwave except that when I put food hot, it keeps sticking. The turntable keeps sticking. So I check it out. The person say it's a motor, but I don't think it's a motor. Now inside here, you can see it rotten. You can see a hole right here. See a hole across there? Now that is the reason why it keeps sticking, because it keeps going down in the hole. See? It keeps going down in the hole and causing it to stick. So it's not the motor, it's this rotten spot. It's this rotten hole across there. So in order to fix this now, you have to get a new cavity. You have to get a body. So most likely I will keep it until I get a new body. When I get a new body, I'll transfer everything, and everything should be working good. So this is one of the reasons why the turntable is not working properly, because of that hole. And in some cases it has been the motor itself that gone, but not in this case.